dates of Friday is raining. Okay, this is KL area and really heavy rain. Wow, I think it's been a while no rain, and today it's totally heavy. So what is it meant? Is it good news or it's bad? Well, human is hoping for wetness of the environment so that our atmosphere is not really dehydration. So when we don't feel dehydrated means it's cooler. So the point here is when it's too heavy, it's gonna be flooding the space. So anyway, this is human. It's always never satisfied one. Anyway. Okay. Heavy rain is just considering it's a blessing also. So hope no flood that can become the victim of the flood. So I think attaining a moment of quietness